Hello, Riley. Sometimes it's easier for me to just show you rather than type out a big long email. I wanted to thank you for sending me all that information on the Get to Know You. You're right, that's all it was what was in the video right there. So I just wanted to show you what I mean by the email in the VLE. This whole classroom environment, it's the VLE. It's what we know as the virtual learning environment. Okay, so if I say that I'm going to email you to your VLE, it means no external account like a Gmail or a school board account. I'm literally just going to send you a message and you'll find it in here. I wanted to point out to you that I'm impersonating you so that I can see what's going on in your account. Sometimes this helps when a student is saying they can't access something, and then I can see it from your perspective. So let's focus on emails in the VLE. So anytime that I say I send that email, you can simply click here and you can go to email. There is an instant messaging, but I find it not as effective. It sends me a notification that you have a problem. So when I look in here, I see that you've read them. So let's just look at this one, day 2. And you were specifically looking for the Padlet that I was doing in the Get to Know You activity. So I would like to get to know some of your classmates by participating in a Padlet. So that was the instructions right here. So all you have to do is click on there, and then because you have that link, you'll have access to this as well. Oh, there it is. You've already got a hold of it. So maybe this was sent before you got the gist of it. So that's fantastic. I'm glad you figured that out and were able to find that. One thing while I'm here and while you're listening, I also wanted to point out that each and every day has its own agenda. I try and make videos just to give you a heads up as to some of the things that are going on. So this was a video on some reminders, including that Get to Know You activity. In this newsfeed, this is the list of things that I wanted you to work on today for September 8th, and it's coming from Unit 1, Activities 1 and 2. So there was the Padlet that I just referred to from the email. There's the link. And that as of tomorrow, this discussion is due as this assignment is due. And when it comes to that assignment, here's some more links. You may have noticed that this is just a picture, and so you can just click right down here and open up that schedule. And that way you can access the links that you may need. These links are usually not included in content. These are extra resources that I have put in the agenda to support the content. It's easier for me to put them here than as you're reading through content and you get to the provided prompts assignment, you're reading through that. Just know that there's some extra resources that are listed here that can potentially help you. All right, I hope that helped. If there's any other questions, please let me know. But just to review, that this whole way of learning, it's called Brightspace, but I also call it the VLE. And so this is, anytime I say it's within it, it means that the discussions or drop boxes or emails or notifications are within once you log in. Have a great day.